If you could eliminate one thing from the world, what would you eliminate?
I think I would definitely remove these creeps, from the world. I get really uncomfortable when people are just like staring at you and don't let you have your space. I think that's one thing I face here in Bangalore a little.
It happens in Bangalore.
Yeah, a little bit.
In this.
Bombay is really safe, so yeah, that's amazing.
When was the last time you truly felt vulnerable?
It was a really hard time during the job placements in my college. I thought I was lagging really behind, but then everything comes to you when it's the right time. So like right now I have a really good job and I'm enjoying it a lot. So yeah,
Which company you are working right now?
at Potpie, it's a startup.
Oh, are you really happy in your life?
I would say yes, because I do have everything that I dreamt of right now, and I think I'm at the happiest place right now. So yeah.
What is one thing that you cherish the most from your parents?
From my parents, that they really trust me a lot. They believe in me. No matter whatever happens, they always put their trust in me, and they know I can achieve what I am supposed to achieve one day. And yeah.
What is something you thought was really important when you were younger, but as you got older, you realized it wasn't that important?
So the thing I thought that was the most important was money. It actually is important, but something that's more important, that is the relationship you build with your close ones and how long you can persist them for. So I think the deep connections, you truly should keep them, because that's what helps you later in your life.
What is something that I wouldn't believe about you?
I can go very far in the oceans and swim and just float and chill out there, like really deep in the ocean.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm a swimmer like that.
oh wow. You look super confident. What makes you so confident?
I think the people around me, they keep boosting up my confidence, and personally I'm confident in myself. I don't really think much about what people think about me. I think I'm doing great, and I'm just confident.